Everybody. Now I'm going to be covering exercise 13 in your Rhino Training Manual Level 1. This file does not have an auxiliary model associated with it, but I am using a template, which is small objects millimeters. And please keep in mind there is a section in your Rhino Training Manual that please be sure to read before you begin exercise 13, and that section is called Distance and Angle Constraint Entry, and it can be found on page 51 of your Rhino Training Manual Level 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with exercise 13, Distance Constraint Entry. So to start, let's go to the curve in your main menu, and then select Polyline, and then Polyline. In the command bar, it wants to know the start of the polyline. In this instance, I would like for you to type in 8, 8, and then press Enter. For the next point, I would like for you to type 5, and then press Enter. Now, hold the Shift key to lock it into Ortho mode, and pick a point to the right. Click one time with your left mouse button, and then Rhino is moving on to the next point of the polyline. One more time, type in the number 5 and press Enter. Hold down Shift and pick a point up. Click one time with your left mouse button, and now you're ready to proceed to the next point in the polyline. In this instance, we're going to type in 5 one more time. Hold down Shift, and this time we're going to pick a point to the left. One click with your left mouse button, and now we're ready to proceed to the final step in this exercise. Last thing we're going to do is close this polyline, and we can do so by clicking Close in the command bar. Okay, that concludes exercise 13, Distance Constraint Entry.